Hi, my name is Ryan and I want to show you how to basic right turn and basic left turn for Salsa on 2. Let's start with the right turn. First step with right on spot, second to the front, twist on your left, step on spot with your right on 3, then complete the turn, 5, finish, regular back step on 6, 7. Let me repeat. 1, 2, 3, turning 5, 6, 7, basic 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, complete 5, 6, 7, basic 1. Let's do the left turn for Salsa on 2. Start on 1 with your right foot. 1, 2, 3. Open your direction on 5. Weight is in your 5 on the left foot. Turn complete. Regular back step on 6, 7. Start in 1 with your right. Again. 1, 2, 3. Open direction on 5. Turn complete. 6, 7, basic on 1. 2 more time. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Thanks for watching. Have fun with your training and see you next time.